Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to MarineMax here in Cumming, Georgia. My name is John, and I'm going to be showing you our new 2020 Crest DLX in this pretty blue color that we've just gotten in for 2020. Please come aboard. So it's about 22.5 feet long. This one's set up with the 4 couches, a big beautiful helm, all fiberglass, really nice upholstery, twin captain's chairs, probably the most comfortable chairs in all of boating. Full dash with a Bluetooth stereo, captain's cool cup holder. This will actually keep your drink cold. Plenty of room for everyone. Nice sturdy tow bar in the back, and 150 horsepower Mercury motor. I know this was a brief tour, but I hope you enjoyed it. Come on out to Baldridge Marina at MarineMax and see us. We're at 770-781-9370. Thank you very much.